On today's show, we're going to talk about beating traffic tickets when the cops cite the code wrong. Hello everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 16 of the Ask a Lawyer show. Super excited to be here with you today. As you can see, I'm outside again. Just got to get outside. Can't help it. Seahawks just suffered another devastating loss to the Cincinnati Bengals, up 17 points in the fourth quarter. Ridiculous. But what can you do? Got to move on. So let's do that. Let's just get to today's question. It's one that we encounter a lot here, and I'm not going to read you the question because I don't have it in front of me. I'm just going to give it to you, the gist of it. The question was from, I think it was, I can't remember what the guy, Steve, I think. He was cited by the city of Seattle for an offense on his bike. And the cop cited the code for when you're in a car. And there's a separate set of codes when you have a bike. And so he contested the ticket. He's expecting to go into court and lay down the law, let the court know that the wrong statute was cited, and boom, bada bing, bada boom, ticket's gone. The problem is he wanted to know if there's a way for the prosecutor to get around that. And the answer is yes, there is. It is a relatively simple way to do it. They don't, he wanted to know if the cop could just change the citation. What they'll do is they'll just dismiss that ticket and they'll issue you a new ticket under the correct statute and start the whole process all over again. Sometimes they'll offer you a deal when they have to do that, but that's how they'll do it. It's super easy. You don't win. You're going to walk in. The ticket's going to get dismissed and refiled, and then you're going to lose. The thing is, the key there is that the cops, believe it or not, are not in charge of making a decision on what statute to charge. What they do is just put the statute in there that they think is the most relevant to the case, and then the prosecutor's office is the one that's technically in charge of making those decisions on exactly what statute to charge you with. So they can just dismiss, refile, and it's over. So I think you're going to be out of luck with that. You can go and try it and see what happens, but they're likely to dismiss and refile. Okay, that's it for this episode of Ask a Lawyer. Once again, I'm Christopher Small. If you ever need help with traffic tickets, DUIs, car accidents, anything like that, if you get into trouble with the car, we can take care of it. Call us 206-973-0407. Thanks, and see you next week.